Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the volume on your AirPods. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. It's very easy to increase or decrease the volume on your AirPods, but there are multiple ways to do it, so I'm going to show you both. So let's pull up your iPhone, then connect the AirPods to the iPhone. It should connect automatically when you open it. Just put the AirPods in your ears, and when you put it in your ears, you have a few options to increase or decrease the volume. So the easiest one is by using the side of your iPhone and increasing or decreasing the volume. Another option is by pulling down to the control center, and in the control center you should see this volume icon, and you can increase or decrease the volume of your AirPods as well. But there is a built-in option into your AirPods that are available that you can use to increase or decrease the volume. As you can see, this side is a little bit flat, and actually this flat side is a touch sensor. So when you slide your fingers down here, you can decrease the volume, and if you slide them up, you can increase them. Let's see on the screen, it should appear. I'm not sure if it's working now because it thinks that my AirPods are not in my ears, but yes, it works. So when I slide up, it increases the volume, as you can see, and when I slide down, it decreases. So it's pretty cool option. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.